Hello everyone, myself Dr. Aditya Maheshwari. I am a consultant dermatologist practicing at Aditya Clinic Jalgaon, Maharashtra since past 3 years now. My area of expertise is treating the patients of psoriasis, the allergies, fungal infections and all types of viral infections, and I am basically an art of living teacher, and I take courses for the youth. So today's session is regarding meditation and breathing exercises which are to be practiced for women, especially before pregnancy, during pregnancy, or after pregnancy. So now let us start with how to meditate. So, while meditating, we need to sit comfortably and easily wherever you are sitting, on the chair or on the seat you are. Uh, First, I'll tell you to gently close your eyes and imagine an apple on top of your head, and slowly open your eyes. Now, we could imagine an apple on top of the head, right? But I did not tell you to imagine the color of the apple or the size of the apple. So we need to gently take our attention on top of the head. Likewise, I will be guiding you through a meditation now. So while we are meditating, first of all, we need to be empty stomach. Secondly, if you have had any food, you need to be uh, having a period of 2 to 3 hours post your food intake, or if you have had a heavy food, you can do it 3 to 4 hours later. Now, what is the position to meditate? Now, while meditating, we need to keep both the hands on our lap, like this, open to the sky or the ceiling, keeping our back straight, neck straight, and closing our eyes gently. Our shoulders should be relaxed. First, we'll take a normal deep breath in and breathe out completely. Now we'll take a deep breath in, and while breathing out, we will have to chant Om 3 times. Those who are comfortable with chanting Om 3 times, they may do so. Those who are comfortable with chanting Amin, they may do so. And those who are comfortable with chanting Shalom, they may do so. Now let us sit comfortably and easily. Take a normal deep breath in, and breathing out, we'll chant Om 3 times. Breathe in. Breathe in for the last time. And relax. You have to now follow my instruction very lightly. Let us all become aware of the thoughts in our mind. The good thoughts or the bad thoughts. Whatever they are, let them come and go. Like the clouds in the sky, they come and they go. Do not try to resist them. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Now let us become aware of the emotions in our body. the good emotion or the not so good emotion. Accept them as they are. Take one more deep breath in and breathe out. Let us now become aware of the noises in the surrounding. The voice of the fan or AC, of the birds around, of someone speaking. Be one with the noises. Take one more deep breath in and breathe out. लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु. लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु. लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शांति. Become aware of your surroundings and your body. Take a deep breath in and breathe out completely with a gentle smile and taking your own time. You may slowly and gradually open your eyes. Now we had meditated for around 5 to 6 minutes. But how did we all feel? Some might have felt very fresh, the thoughts little bit less, feeling of that calmness or that energy. So that is the power of meditation.